Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Aneantir is probably one of the most profound and challenging literary experiences of recent times, a sprawling, ambitious novel that delves into the anxieties and discontents of contemporary Western society through the lens of a family's fractured relationships and a nation on the brink of existential crisis, forcing readers to confront uncomfortable truths about love, loss, and the search for meaning in an increasingly fragmented world. Number 5. Qunol Ultra Coke 10 100 mg. Introducing Qunol Ultra Coke 10. Its advanced formula offers 3x better absorption than regular Coke 10, ensuring your body gets the most out of every dose. This powerful supplement acts as a potent antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage. It's a vital addition to your daily wellness routine. Recommended by cardiologists for heart health, it plays a crucial role in supporting your cardiovascular system. Trust the experts for your heart's well-being. It actively supports vascular health, promoting the smooth functioning of your blood vessels. Maintain a healthy circulatory system with this essential nutrient. Experience enhanced cellular energy production. This Coke 10 supplement helps fuel your body's cells, contributing to overall vitality and energy levels. Each bottle contains 120 easy-to-swallow soft gels. It's a convenient way to ensure you meet your daily Coke 10 needs. What we like. Experience 3x better absorption for your body's needs. This supplement is highly recommended by cardiologists for optimal heart health. If you are looking for enhanced vascular health and cellular energy, this is the choice for you. What people say. The book is a profound exploration of contemporary society and the human condition, offering a bleak yet insightful perspective. Houellebecq's signature style is on full display, with his characteristic blend of philosophical musings and sharp social commentary. The narrative, while challenging, is deeply rewarding for readers who appreciate thought-provoking literature that tackles complex themes. Number 4. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste. Introducing Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair. It's designed to actively reharden and strengthen your enamel. This toothpaste is specifically formulated for sensitive teeth. It provides effective care and protection. Its advanced formula works to restore the natural strength of your enamel. Experience a healthier mouth with regular use. Enjoy a lasting feeling of extra freshness after every brush. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. This convenient 3.4-ounce tube ensures you have ample supply of this essential oral care product. Protect your smile with every use. What we like. This toothpaste is designed to intensively repair and strengthen your enamel. It provides relief for sensitive teeth while maintaining a fresh feeling. If you suffer from enamel erosion or sensitive teeth, this is the perfect solution for daily care. What people say. The book is a profound exploration of societal decay and the human condition. Houellebecq's signature style of bleak realism is on full display, offering a stark and unflinching look at contemporary life. The novel masterfully weaves together philosophical inquiry with a compelling narrative, making it a thought-provoking read. Number 3. Shout Color Catcher Sheets. Tired of colors bleeding in your laundry? Introducing the revolutionary solution that keeps your clothes looking their best. These innovative sheets trap loose dyes in the water, preventing them from transferring onto other garments. Keep your whites white and your colors vibrant, wash after wash. Now you can mix colors and whites without fear. Simply toss one sheet into your washing machine with your load and let it do the work. It's incredibly simple to use. Just add a sheet with your laundry, and it actively works to protect your clothes from color transfer. This convenient pack contains 72 sheets, providing plenty of protection for all your laundry needs. Enjoy brighter, cleaner clothes with every wash. Experience the difference that Shout Color Catcher can make. Protect your wardrobe and simplify your laundry routine today. What we like. Keep your laundry looking its best by preventing colors from bleeding. These sheets make laundry days simpler and more efficient. If you want to wash mixed colors without worry, this is an essential addition to your laundry routine. What people say. The book is a profound exploration of contemporary society, its themes of alienation and decline are powerfully rendered. Houellebecq's signature style is on full display, with sharp observations and a bleakly humorous tone that makes the narrative compelling. Number 2. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. Are you struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles? Our advanced formula is designed to rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes, helping you look and feel your best. This powerful anti-aging cream works to smooth fine lines and reduce the appearance of under-eye bags. Restore a youthful radiance to your complexion. Even the most sensitive skin can benefit from its hydrating properties. It gently moisturizes without causing irritation, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Experience a noticeable improvement in dryness and overall skin texture. It's crafted with care to deliver effective results you can see and feel. Proudly made in the USA, our eye cream is formulated to meet high-quality standards. Trust in a product that's made with your skin's health in mind. What we like. This eye cream is formulated to tackle dark circles and puffiness effectively. It helps to firm the delicate under-eye area and improve dryness. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for an anti-aging solution for tired eyes, this is a must-try. What people say. The book is a profound exploration of contemporary French society, delving into themes of decline, alienation, and the search for meaning in a secularized world. Houellebecq's signature style is on full display, characterized by its bleak realism, sharp social commentary, and provocative insights into human nature. Aneantir offers a compelling narrative that, while challenging, provides a thought-provoking reflection on the state of Western civilization and the future of humanity. Number 1. Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste. Experience a brighter smile without the sensitivity. This toothpaste is specially formulated to gently whiten your teeth while protecting them from pain. Don't let sensitive teeth hold you back from a confident smile. Our advanced formula provides lasting relief from tooth sensitivity. Achieve a visibly whiter smile with regular use. It effectively removes stains, revealing your teeth's natural brightness. Enjoy a clean and fresh feeling that lasts throughout the day. It helps maintain oral hygiene for a healthier mouth. Get more of what you love with this convenient pack of 3. It ensures you always have your trusted toothpaste on hand. What we like. Achieve a brighter smile without compromising your sensitive teeth. This toothpaste offers effective whitening while ensuring comfort. If you desire whiter teeth and fresh breath but have sensitivity concerns, this product is designed for you. What people say. The book is a profound exploration of contemporary society, its anxieties, and the search for meaning in a seemingly meaningless world. Houellebecq masterfully crafts a narrative that is both bleak and beautiful, offering sharp social commentary through his signature detached yet insightful prose. The novel delves into themes of technological alienation, the decline of traditional values, and the human condition in the face of existential dread. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.